Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. If you were here for the past 2 days of Vlogmas, then you know that I recently did a December Sephora play unboxing and a Ipsy glam bag unboxing for also December. And so now you know what time it is. It is time to compare both of the both of the subscription boxes for the month of December. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Ipsy bag, and then I'm going to show you my Sephora Play box, or bag. I don't really know what to call it. It comes in a box, but it also has a bag, so I'm just like, but yeah, I'm gonna get the Ipsy. So, in my Ipsy bag, I opened it, and something dropped on my foot while I was filming it a couple minutes ago, and I was like, what in the world? So basically, I got 3 face masks in here, and one of them exploded. I'm still not really for sure which one, but one of them did, so I'll show you guys them really quick, then put them back in there. So the first one we got is this guy. This is the limited edition, the Cream Shop Let It Glow Ultra Moisturizing Jojoba Oil Sheet Mask. Then we got this one. This is another limited edition, the Cream Shop mask, and this is the Oh Dear Detoxifying Lemon Sheet Mask. Then we got one more. Wait, I think this one is the one that exploded, because this one feels like the least squishy, you know what I mean? I don't know. But this one is the Cream Shop Clarifying Peppermint Cocoa Sheet Mask, and this is infused with peppermint oil to treat troubled acne-prone skin. So we got 3, which is cool because normally when we get sheet masks, we only get 2. So I'm like, that's awesome that we got 3, but I don't know if one of them is usable because I think all the juice leaked out of one. Or not juice, but like, you know, like liquid that makes the mask moisturize and do its stuff, you know. But this is what the bag looks like. So the front is this really cool sparkly gold sequins, and the back is a black like faux leather look, and mine is wet because the face mask exploded on it. And then it has this tassel, it has a zipper. I didn't zip mine back up, as you can see, but we have a little card in here. It says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. But I don't read the back of them, ever. Maybe I should. They could have like coupon codes or something on there, but I just don't. But we got that. And then the first thing that we have in there is this eyeshadow blending brush. So let's open this up. This is the Farrah 35E brush, and it just looks like that. And it's really soft, and I'm excited to use this with my eyeshadow. Then moving on to the next product in the bag, it is this Pacifica Rainbow Crystal Liquid Mineral Strobe, and it's a multi-use highlighter. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really like holographic, so it's not going to focus, but this is in the color Unicorn. And let's pop this back on out, and the packaging on this is honestly so cute. It has little crystals all over it, and let me swatch it for y'all. Focus. I'm filming on my phone, so I can just tap it to focus it, which is awesome. But it looks like that. It's like a nice, subtle sheen. It's not like shaboom, but it's cool, and it would be nice for like a nice over your eye kind of highlight sheen, you know, and it would be really quick and easy to just put on. Then next up we got this Steve Laurent lip oil, and this is actually already opened because I opened it and I have it on my lips right now. And this is in the color Orchid. I think it's Orchid. I think I said Orchid in the last video. I honestly don't remember. So it is just this nice pinky purpley color, and I'll swatch it on my hand. It's not gonna show up a color, it's just gonna show up clear. And I am also gonna put some more on my lips because I really like it. So Beau's about to come in my room with Lucy because he's bringing Lucy back. But that is it, swatched right there. It doesn't really have a color. It's just like a
puppy.
It's just like a pinky purpley.
I ate your pizza.
That's fine. Okay. Then next we have this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara sample, and this is one of my favorite mascaras, so I'm super stoked that we got this in our Ipsy bags. Well, I don't know if you guys got it. If you did, let me know down below. And then last but not least, we got this Catrice Cosmetics eyeshadow and this is in the shade Luminous Lilac, and I thought that this was going to be a light purple, but it's actually a pretty dark purple. I swatched it earlier, so that's why there was a little finger mark in it. But I'm going to swatch that again on my hand.
Can I see your clothes?
Yes, I'm wearing my pajamas. And that is the color right there. And that is all for the Ipsy bag. So now let's move on to the Sephora Play. Okay, so now for the Sephora Play, and I already took all of it out of the bag, so it's just like loose in the box. But it's like a nice little cute Christmas bag, so I thought that was cute. And it says, "Open here for warm fuzzy feels and a little something extra. Hashtag Sephora Play." So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so when you first open it up, you get this little pamphlet thing, and it comes with like stuff on it, and also a Sephora Play card. Let me open it, like point card, where if you make a purchase of like I think it's $20, you can redeem the points to your account. Then it just has all this stuff on the front. Then on the back, it shows you everything that you got in your Sephora Play box. So I'm going to show you everything that I got in mine. So the first thing that I did get is this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And I'm pretty sure my mom loves this, but I don't really remember for sure. But I know she really likes something from Briogeo. I think it's like an exfoliating mask though, but it could also be this. I don't know. But it doesn't have any sulfates, silicones, or parabens in it, which I think is awesome. But I'm really bad at remembering to use things like this, so I don't know if I would actually end up using this, but I'm going to try to remember, but I don't know if I actually will be able to. Then the next thing we got is something that I'm super excited about. This is the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. That was a mouthful. And this is just like a nice sample. Let me open it up for you guys. So if you can see it right there by the purple eyeshadow, it's just a nice slight pink tint to your lips. Then the next thing I got in here is the Wonder Beauty Glow-A-Ton Lotion Illuminator. And I don't know if this is like a thing for your face or if it's for like lotion. But this is not in a specific shade or anything. But it's really pretty, and it's like the Pacifica one. It's like a nice sheen. So let's swatch this really quick. This one's a little bit darker and more golden, and it has a stronger shine to the Pacifica one, but it's a darker shade. But I think it would be really nice if you put on after your primer, so you could have like a nice glow. Then the next thing that we got in here is a Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner, and I have it out already. And this is in the shade Nothing But Nude, and this is it right here. So let's go ahead and swatch this. So that is it right there. It is a super pretty nude color. I really like that, and it's like really creamy and smooth, so I was excited about that. Then the next thing that I got in the Sephora Play is this Too Faced Primed in Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. And I swatched a little bit of this earlier, like I put a little bit on my hand and like rubbed it around. And this, sorry if you can hear my brother gaming, this is more of like a professional texture rather than the Too Faced Hangover texture and stuff. So I was really extremely excited because I really like the professional primer, and the Too Faced Hangover primer doesn't really work for me. So hopefully this is a little bit more like the professional, and maybe I will like it. Hopefully, because it felt really smooth on my hand earlier. Then last but not least, I got this Sephora Rouge Cream lipstick, and this is in the color the red. It's just a nice little sample red lipstick. It looks like this. Just pop off the cap. You can roll it on up, and then let's swatch this. That is it right there. It's like the perfect red shade, and I really like wearing red lipsticks. Even though I don't wear red that often, I really wish I wore red more. But when I do, my boyfriend complains because he's like, I can't kiss you when you wear red lipstick. But that is all for the two boxes. And to be 100% honest with you guys, they're both priced at $10, and they both are a mixture of different types of products. But I think I'm actually going to be going with Ipsy this month. Even though one of the face masks did explode, I really like everything that I got in here. I like everything I got in this Sephora Play as well, but this one was a really good Ipsy, and I'm really excited about all of it. So that is all for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to stay tuned for my future Vlogmas videos, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single day until the day after Christmas at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time when I upload my Vlogmas video of the day, except for technically today, which is the 15th, it was late, and then also like a couple days ago it was late, but like I'm trying to stay on top of it, so it's 12. I'm doing my best, okay? That's all that really matters. But until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!